I'm the boiler man. I'm the boiler man. The boiler is on weather. Yo, I fucking forgot my pass. I just feel like I just did the marathon. Let's go. Mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your boiler man. Wepa. I'm the boiler man. Whatever I can. If you're getting cold.
All right, guys. Just right here. We got the team right over here.
¿Qué onda?
Yes.
I wanna please you. I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Yep. All right, guys, listen, I'm in the advertising business. I'm in the attention business. And part of getting all the attention is like, you gotta do what it takes to grab attention. So think of a setup like this. The LED wall right behind me. And we're at the trade show. We're at the installer show here in New York City. And this is something I want to bring to not only New York City, I want to bring to festivals and show people, guys, this is the style, this is the vibe, this is what's going on, this is what's trending today in today's market as far as like grabbing attention and making money. And of course, listen, everybody's paying primo dollars for all the attention. And I'm going to bring it to you not only for primo dollars, but less than primo, but I'm going to give you primo results. So if you want primo results, this is what you have to invest. That's what it takes. So being the HVAC Papi in the HVAC business, being in a media influencer, I'm telling you, it works. Listen, I got TVs on my truck for a reason. So guys, this is just the next step up. So if you're looking to advertise, put your name out there, you want to brand yourself, that is what you could be the next Nike. You could be the next Reebok. You could be the next HVAC Papi. Woo! I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man. Keeping you warm. We're in Center Town, looking for these guys. Where the hell are you guys, bro? It's not as big as AHR, so where are you guys? Keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man. Till the cold is gone. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man. Till the cold is gone. Wepa!
Damn, it's so cold. Can someone turn the heat on, please? I'm freezing. It's so cold in here. Can somebody call Louis the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring no warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside. No need to freeze. Cold.
Talk to me.
Let's do it, baby.
So tell me, what's your name, what's your business?
What's going on, mi gente? I'm the HVAC Papi Expo, but my real name is Louis. And yeah, man, I'm the Papi of HVAC, baby. Wepa.
Who are your main customers?
The ones who pay, and the ones who pay well.
You work in just New York or all over?
Well, we work all over New York now, but I'm based at South Nassau, Long Island. But I work anywhere. We've done Utica, we've done Herkimer, we've done upstate New York, Pennsylvania. I mean, different parts of the city. I know people say, well, you're a small shop compared to, yes. I use the power of YouTube, social media, and internet to leverage that. And what do I mean by that? You want the best, you gotta pay for it. So, do I work everywhere? Yes. But just like Uber, the further it is, the more it is. The price goes up.
I feel dumb asking you this, but how do you get new customers?
YouTube.
YouTube is your primary.
Right now, I just got the other day, the first time, ChatGPT. So you watching ChatGPT me, baby, I'm there. Because ChatGPT is the next thing what's happening right now, right? This whole AI movement, ChatGPT, all this new technology, all this new shit that, just like the Internet 2.0, right? So right now, a lot of contractors are not leveraging that. And I see an opportunity, and I'm taking it. Because if you're not involved with media, you're lost out.
When you say ChatGPT, you mean somebody found you on ChatGPT?
Yeah. Go on your phone right now. HVAC Papi. HVAC Papi. You guys can't spell? HVAC Papi.
What's been the best? So YouTube has been sort of explosive for you, or like?
Oh my God, YouTube has been like the best thing. I mean, I use SEO and everything. Think about it, because right now I don't know how to fix a boiler. I think I can do it myself. Let me go on YouTube. But people forget that YouTube is not social media. Realistic. YouTube is a search engine.
Yeah.
Or just a picture platform, video platform. So that's why, I mean, Google owns YouTube. YouTube is associated with Google. People are putting how to, they want to see, people are visual now. I mean, listen, if I put a hot girl with a hot voice on the phone and you talk to her, oh my God, man, you sound so beautiful. And I come over here in a dress and we're like, hey, Papi, how you doing? Is that something gonna be, oh my God, what the fuck? You're gonna shoot, you're looking the other way, right? it's deceiving, right? But like people really, we're visual creatures. We want to see.
Yeah.
So it's no different when you see a hot looking woman. She speaks good. She's hot. Woo! She's fine. That's what you guys. You got what I'm saying?
Yes.
It's visual. So everything's visual now. People want to see. People want to know. They want to see. Who's the handsome son of a gun? I am. It's me. So that's why I say, guys, you need to leverage media.
Have you always been this way?
I've always been this way. I love the camera. It's not even that I love the camera, I love the attention. I just leverage that because naturally who I am. I want to be who I am. That's the beauty about HVAC. That's the beauty about the blue collar and the trades. I'm never going to be somebody I'm not. The same way this is on the camera and off the camera, this is what it is.
Do you use a lot? Do you use AI in other ways in your business?
Right now, that's a good question because I haven't used AI 100%. While we have used AI, is my videographer's right here next to me. Use it for like editing. Use it for like, let's say, doing descriptions. Now, any other way of using AI as far as maybe like calling, that I'm a little skeptical about. Why? Because my business is based on relationships. So I pay an actual answer service that picks up the phone 24 hours, 7 days a week. That's just me. I'm not saying it doesn't work for anybody else. I'm not saying AI doesn't work. I'm just saying that works for me. Me, I don't want to focus on I don't want to hear that shit. I want to hear like, hey, what's going on? Good morning, Miss Jones. How you doing? You know what, the HVAC Papi, we'd be more than happy to come over your house. He'd be more than happy to fix your boiler. Listen, he's a little busy right now, but let me get your information. It's more personable. You know what I mean? The problem is with like, in my opinion, with the business today, a lot of these businesses getting bought out by bigger companies. That's how we monopolize and leverage the market. Another thing is we have a lot of private equity firms that are looking to invest their money. And I get it. Listen, it's business. We're talking about money. You put 5, you want 10, and so on and so forth, right? I get it. But what they fail to understand, you're using personal touch. And you know what? That's how I win. The big 500-pound gorilla, yeah, he has 200 morons. He has 200 morons. That's it. I'm saying it. All you big companies out there, you have 200 morons. Everybody's looking at it like, oh, this guy's been around for 80 years. I don't give a fuck about 100. You want the old man or you want the sexy thing today? You want what's relevant today? Because I'm relevant. The guy who's been there for 100 years, he's gone. He's retired. Drinking margaritas. He don't give a shit anymore. And these private equity firms are buying them out, but they think they got those stores because they got the money. So money's part of it. And I can use some of that money. So if you're, listen, there's always a dollar sign. I'm never going to say no. However, I'm not ready yet because my job is not done. My job is to take it as far as I can take it to, as far as in the HVAC industry, and show everybody out there, brother, I don't need millions. I just need to make the millions to reinvest in me.
So you want to stay kind of lean as far as a company. You don't want to have.
I want to be the SWAT team in what I do.
Yeah.
When there's a problem with the world right now, you call the guys, the regular guys, the front guys, or you call the what? The Navy SEALs. Well, guess what? I'm the Navy SEAL in HVAC. Because even if I don't know it, guess what? Somebody here knows it, and I'm going to get them. It could be him. It could be him. It could be him. It doesn't matter. That's it. I am the new sheriff in town. I have a network. I have 25 plus years experience, and this is what I leverage. So you say, Louis, you have to listen. Hold on. Un momento. Because guess what? I know somebody that happens to have that answer that you're asking me that question about. If I don't know it, I'm going to get the next guy to do it. Because I'm going to leverage what I got. It's my network.
Is there anything in your business that you don't like doing that you wish AI could do for you?
Oh man, there's a lot of things I wish they could do for me. They take out the bullshit I got to deal with. I don't want to deal with the customer right now because you know what? Nobody wants to talk to a robot. Think about it. I'm going to tell you like this. We're both men here. I can say we're men here. I hope so at least. But and because right now we're in the age of AI. What's that? We have robots. Does robots exist today? I sure that. So I'm going to say it like this. Do you want to fuck with a robot?
No, I don't.
Exactly. Do you feel the same passion?
I've never tried. I've never tried.
I didn't have mine. But I'm just saying, I'm just trying to put things in perspective.
No, I feel it.
Now we're going to the terminal era.
Yeah.
The Terminator, I'm sorry, not Terminator, Terminator. I feel like the Terminator. Because everything's going to be just like the movie Terminator. So now, are we going to come to a conclusion that what comes out?
That's what this whole video. That's what this whole video is about, actually.
Yeah, because you know what? Because everybody talks about AI. AI is good. I will never think that. We always want to shoot for the stars, and we want things to make things
help you
scale up. I agree with that. I'm not against that, but it depends how you use it and leverage it. And not every AI is the perfect, tool to make things easy, to make your problems go away. I would love that. Listen, 100%. If AI can take 50% of the problems I have, I would join AI right now. But that's not the truth. That's not the reality.
Yeah, fair.
But the reality is we're going in a direction that everything is electricity, everything is electronics, everything about robots, scaling, AI, blah, 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 blah. Okay, then it's cool and I love it. Soon as we're going to have cars flying in the air, yes. But I say that because as the human interaction, we're more and more in this phone. And I'm going to sound like a hypocrite right now. As much as I love this, because it has leverage, I leverage it, it makes me money.
Yeah.
We're in a world full of mierda because there's a lot of mierda I get to. Bullshit. Because you know what mierda is? Mierda is bullshit. So you have to have like a sweet spot, that balance that works for you.
Yeah.
And I find what works for me. AI for certain things is great, but AI is not the solution for everything. And that's what a lot of people need to understand. It works for a lot of people. But I like that personal touch. Hey, how's your dog doing? How's your mother doing? Hey, you know what I mean? You know, that personal touch. And that's what I leverage, because guess what? The companies that have the 300 employees, I get their visits.
True.
I didn't get that. That wasn't, that wasn't an accident. That wasn't like, oh, no, we just happened to call Louis. No, it's like, because I earned that, and I'm showing you. So now you call to me, but yes, it's pros and cons to everything.
And you never know. You never know what can come down the line. Maybe you discover something in AI 2 years from now, 3 years from now.
I'm never going to say
10x is your business. You don't know.
I'm never going to say no to AI. It's just that for right now, me, right now.
You're still figuring it out a little bit too.
Exactly. Because AI is still relatively new.
Yeah.
It's not like, you know what I mean, to have 30 years of, of data that we can figure this out. It's still relatively new. And for the contractor world, we're still like that developing stage, right? We're still learning shit out. Listen, Tesla right now had a car actually get crashed into us. Supposed to self-drive itself. So if they haven't figured it out, listen, AI hasn't figured it out just yet, but it will. It will.
It will. That's it.
Yo, Papi.
Appreciate you, bro.
I want to say thank you for the interview.
Thank you. Yeah,
thank you. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate my man over there. Listen, everybody who's watching, yo, hit me up, HVAC Papi on YouTube. Wepa.
I know, Wepa.
All right, guys, it's officially a wrap. We're about to wrap it up any minute now. They're literally kicking us out the actual building. Hey, guys, I don't know about you, but I had a great time. I had an awesome time. And it was not only a great experience, it was very educational. You got to meet a lot of people, a lot of networking, and that's what it's about. So, bye, ladies. Bye, ladies. Listen, it's nice to see beautiful women out here, right? But guys, listen, all kidding aside, it was a phenomenal event, a great event. So this is day one. We have day two. Tomorrow we're coming back. And guys, we're going to get more content, more exclusive interviews with the actual influencer themselves. And guys, you're going to see me tomorrow at the panel speaking with Matthew from Center Term. And big shout out to my man PEHVAC, which is Roberto. Thank you, Roberto, for the hat. Guys, stay tuned. Tomorrow is just another day. Let's get it. Wepa. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, all winter long. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, till the cold is gone. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, till the cold is gone. Wepa!
Damn, it's so cold. Can someone turn the heat on, please? I'm freezing. It's so cold in here. Can somebody call Louis the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside. No need to freeze. Call Louis the Boiler Man. New York Boiler and AC.
Especially with the HVAC Papi. Wepa.